People of Jamaica, listen this. I don't want to fuss with no artist in the music business. I love every artist because we're in the same business. Yesterday, an artist back a knife from Fantan Mojah. And you back a knife. And the artist will back the knife. For me, I would never think to back a knife on that artist. I respect him so much, I like him. Even if I trouble him when I see him on the street, I still respect him. But I never expect that artist when me ball for and cry for over the whole world. Free this kid because I rate the kid singing and I rate the kid voice. And I would never think of bad mind or grudgeful against the kid. But I never expect the kid to do that something there. Back a knife on your friend will love you and check for you. Well, if I did somebody else back the knife for me, I'd have looked on it different. I would have to slow him on the spot or do something. Because anytime we head trip, we don't have no sense. But I'm a friend, so I can't react, I just laugh it off and say, rrr. But here what happened, I never expect that from you, my artist. You can't back knife on real soldier, real youth will love you and check for you and know that here where I'm a brother in a music. I need to apologize and publicly apologize from you. I don't expect that from you. Me rate you and love you too much as one of my brother in a music. So me need a public apologize, God. Because that's not supposed to happen. And the whole world, I look upon this and I wonder, who no figure it out. The man who me ball for freedom for. I have nothing more to say. I mean no bad mind no man. I no hate no man. Respect to every artist. And me sing the song Rasta got soul. Respect the legend them before us. Some man too hype in the music. Loud the hype God. We don't know where the hype there. To me is you that talk my mind straight. Because when I talk the truth hurt. So people might get offended about the truth. Why you get offended over truth? It's the truth, God. Work with the truth, man. Yeah. Bend yourself to the truth, God. Me not pretty up no lies. No lies. Because people have pretty up lie to make it thing look good. No, me I tell you straight. Straight, living nothing but the truth. A man in now, Sam Salang are you. Alasani boom. Yato. Wakti no man. Wakti. A boom.